Samsung Bixby is more than just a voice assistant. It's a powerful AI tool designed to make your smartphone experience smoother and smarter. Developed by Samsung, Bixby can control your device, open apps, send messages, and even adjust settings using simple voice commands. What makes Bixby stand out is its deep integration with Samsung devices, allowing users to perform complex tasks like turn on Wi-Fi and open YouTube in a single command. What truly makes Bixby exciting for an engaging video is its ability to learn your habits and adapt to your daily routine. With features like Bixby Routines, your phone can automatically adjust settings based on your location or time of day. Whether you're driving, working, or relaxing, Bixby works quietly in the background to simplify your life. Its smart visual recognition and seamless device control make it a strong competitor in the world of AI assistants, giving your audience a compelling reason to explore it further.